Hey everyone, this is Jesse with FarmingSeattle.com, and I wanted to do an update on the worm bin. These guys have been outside for a couple weeks now. I took out some of the food. They had plenty of bananas, leaves. Obviously the broccoli did not get eaten yet. Here's some extra bananas, so I think I had put too much food in there to begin with. So what I'm doing right now is just putting in leaves that I have because it's winter time, and I had a bunch of them. See if I can get them. All right. So there's all the worms. And they're all crumpled up in a ball. So just for reference, there's 2,000 worms in here. And it's been apples and cardboard, bananas, leaves. And I'm just going to load this back up with some leaves. All I have are some holes drilled on the top of this, and they're outside. Let me put all this stuff back in there. I had them inside, but there was a lot of fruit flies, so they did not, I don't know, I just put it outside to get the fruit flies out. But what I also have is a bunch of coffee grounds. So I'm gonna put coffee grounds in there, sprinkle it in, crumple it up. You can just get this from Starbucks. So kind of mix it in with all the leaves and whatnot, and maybe they'll eat that stuff up. I don't know, I'll start with some handfuls of that. Looks like we got a tea bag. But surprisingly, these guys are doing pretty well. And I was gonna cover all this old food with some coffee grounds too, to try and, I don't know, get the fruit covered completely. And then I'll put this on top, because this has holes in the bottom. So that's just a quick update of the $5 Homer bucket. It's working quite well. The worms are hardy, so not a surprise. So thanks for watching.